Ready to dive into Bitcoin but feeling lost? Don't worry, this video will guide you through buying Bitcoin on Bitpanda, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. First, head over to Bitpanda's website and click the Get Started button. You'll need to create an account by entering your email address and creating a secure password. Make sure it's a strong one. Next, verify your identity. This is a standard security measure. Bitpanda will ask for a photo of your ID, like a passport or driver's license, and might require a quick video call. Follow their instructions carefully. Now, it's time to deposit funds. Bitpanda offers several options, including credit cards, bank transfers, and other popular methods. Choose the one that's most convenient for you, and remember to check for any fees. Once your funds are in your account, navigate to the Bitcoin trading page. Look for the Bitcoin symbol BTC paired with your local currency, like EUR or USD. This is the trading pair. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. You can either enter the amount in your local currency or the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Double-check all the details before confirming your order. Review your order one last time. Make sure everything is correct, and then click the Confirm button. Congratulations, you've just bought Bitcoin on Bitpanda.